What's up YouTube, ReggieTECH here, and today we're going to be installing and reviewing these Ellis Homes, soon to be Skyla Products, sliding cabinet locks. But before we get into this installation, let's take a look at everything we get inside this package. So as you guys can see here, we do get a pack of 8 of these sliding cabinet locks, and this is how they look. This is basically the outside of the lock, and this is the inside of the lock. And as you can see, the inside of the lock does have the teeth that does grip onto this locking mechanism that allows it to have a very tight and secure connection. Now with this package of cabinet locks, you do also get the set of instructions. So let's take a look at the instructions. So taking a look at the features, you get a long U-shaped lock mechanism with a maximum distance for optimal use of 12.5 centimeters. It utilizes a 2-button design that means that it's less likely for a child to crack, meaning it'll be a little harder for them to figure it out. And it has a locking distance that's adjustable, and the material is flexible and it's multifunctional. So it says to use, press the buttons A on both sides, pull B out to unlock, and slide the lock through either side of the cabinet handles to tighten. And this is basically how everything works. So here labeled you do see A and B. A is basically the 2 tabs right here that you can pull together to basically unlock the mechanism. And B is the actual mechanism itself that slides over the U-shaped lock. And here you can see on C, you can see how many teeth it actually has, and that really does give you the flexibility to use this on pretty much any cabinet that you may have in your house. And I like the fact that it is wide, so you can use it on a lot of different cabinets as well. There are some cautions down here. It does say this is not a toy and please stop using if it's damaged. This product does not replace adult supervision. And it says the material that it's made out of, which is an ABS resin. And it does say down here that if any fault is found, please contact us through Amazon for a full no-hassle refund. Your satisfaction is everything to us. And I like the fact that companies give that very nice satisfaction guarantee. So you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this installed in a cabinet and test out how it works. And we'll also see the installation process. Alright you guys, so here's the cabinet that we're going to be installing this sliding cabinet lock onto. So basically all you have to do to install this is press down on the A portion of this lock, which is the 2 tabs. You press down and you pull it out so that you have the B portion out. And then the C portion of the lock is obviously the U shape. So all you have to do to install this is basically put it over whatever kind of doorknobs you have or the door hooks that you have, and you just have to slide on the B portion right back onto that U lock. And once you do that, you'll hear the ratchet sound, and that means that your lock is securely in place. And as you guys can see, I'm pulling on this lock and the doors can't open. You basically have a little bit of leeway, but you definitely cannot get into the cabinet this way. And in this cabinet, as you guys can see, it is the bathroom cabinet, and I do have some chemicals and stuff in there, cleaning chemicals, and that's something that you definitely don't want any children to get into. So having these sliding cabinet locks definitely does add that bit of protection to any kind of cabinets without having to physically stick or add an actual lock to the cabinet itself. And they're also extremely easy for adults to remove from the cabinets, but hard for children to remove, especially because you have these 2 tabs right here, and you do have to press on them quite a bit just to get them to unlock and to get them to unhook from the teeth that are basically holding them tight together. So you guys, all in all, if you're looking for a great cabinet lock that doesn't require you to stick anything to your cabinets or to actually create a lock on there, this is definitely the way to go. Having this lock does give you a lot of functionality and a lot of different options when using them on different kind of cabinet doors, especially because it has a nice width as well as a wide length that allows you to virtually use it on any size cabinets that have a large space between them or a small space. I like that they are very versatile. And if you guys like this review and installation of the Ellis Homes, soon to be Skyla Products sliding cabinet locks, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And if you thought this was a useful video and you like what you see, consider subscribing to my channel. If you guys want to check these locks out, as I said before, they will be linked in the description box below. If you guys have any questions or comments about them, go ahead and comment them in the comments section below, and I'll be quick to answer any questions you have on them. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.